Soap has saved more lives than any medicine ever created. It destroys viruses, it dismantles bacteria, and we have been using this chemistry for 4,500 years. The recipe of soap hasn't changed for all this time. Soap does not expire. Bars of Roman era soap have been found in volcanic ash in Pompeii, 2000 years buried. Still works. There is no chemistry on earth so useful and so stable. Pretty much fat or oil, something very alkaline, heat, 3 ingredients. The manufacturing process leaves a byproduct behind, which is glycerin. The same glycerin that goes into nitroglycerin. The same chemistry that helps you wash your hands. It's one step away from a stick of a dynamite. And for almost all these 4,500 years, almost nobody used it. Before 1847, surgeons did not wash their hands before dealing with patients. When hand washing was introduced in hospitals, maternity ward deaths dropped from 18% to just 2%. One bar of soap, the most important medical breakthrough. Soap molecule has two personalities in one body. One end loves water, the other end hates water, and it loves grease. Soap does not just kill viruses, it dismantles them. All viruses into a thin layer of fat called a lipid envelope. The envelope is not made by the virus, it is stolen from us. When a virus infects a human cell, it traps itself in a piece of our own cell membrane to hide, and soap rips that apart. The envelope rips open, the virus is dismantled. During COVID, one of humanity's oldest technologies became one of its most important again. But how does it actually work? Soap molecules organize themselves automatically. The grease-loving end grabs into dirt, oil, dead skin, and broken pieces of viruses, anything fatty. They form tiny spheres called micelles. The water-loving end points outwards. Then the whole thing becomes water-soluble. Making soap is called saponification. Fat plus alkali plus heat. Alcohol kills many microbes. Antibiotics target specific organisms. Bleach poisons germs. But soap is different. Soap removes everything. Bacteria, viruses, dirt, dead skin, even pollen. A virus cannot develop immunity to being torn apart. That's why a 4,500 year technology still protects billions of people every day and probably always will. Bye.